Right, moving on into the settings of each project. You have settings, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different tabs: general, media, sharing, and REST services. In general, we have some of the general topics that we have in other parts, like in the form and other places, where you can change the project name, the description, the sector. We can put here wash and then maybe Malawi, for example, for this particular one. Save changes, and then is it accepting submission? Yes or not. If we click yes, we can accept. If not, of course not. Existing form files for some of the questions, like you can have questions with images and things like this. You can have a file with that goes along with the form, and then this is the place where you would add it, or a logo or whatever. Would you like to share the project? Then you have to click yes or not. Share data publicly. This I will say yes, because it's important later on for Power BI to be shared publicly, at least the data, so Power BI can query it. Delete all data and its form. So here you will delete everything, and then here is for sharing, so we'll check later on. In sharing, you can share from here, from this media, and then share, but it has a dedicated place where you can share. And for example, you can use here, you can have who has access, NCA division, NCA humanitarian division is owner, and this NCA Malawi can add submission, edit form, validate, and whatnot. Here, if we put like NCA Angola, for example, we can give them edit submission, maybe add submission, because they are enumerators. We can invite them, or you can remove. You can add as many things as you want, or remove. This is to create a share link and to share data publicly. It's also here. And then copy team from another project. This is interesting if you have to do a lot of these things. You see, you have to enter the username, you have to enter this, you have to click, it has to refresh. If I'm sharing something with this, some form that is already shared with other people, I want to give them the same, you can copy it from another project that you have done before. Like for example, construction monitoring. I could copy all the permissions from this form, from this project. I could copy them into this other project. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to do that, but it could be done.